When Holiday Rambler announced its new Eclipse Class A in late summer, some of the concepts we liked were the choice of 3 different floor plans, 3 different lengths, and a number of standard features that are often only options on other units in this class of RVs. Welcome to Snowbirds and RV Travelers, the weekly show for RV enthusiasts, where we talk about parks, activities, travel tips, trends, reviews, and the latest news affecting your RV experience. For more content and guest opportunities, head over to rvpodcast.com. That's rvpodcast.com. Today's podcast is sponsored by Holiday Rambler. Escape for the weekend or set off on a cross-country adventure, your Holiday Rambler will get you there with style, comfort, and ease. Discover the 2023 lineup today at holidayrambler.com. Today's podcast was written by Steve Fennell. The Eclipse floor plans offer an excellent suite of appointments and features, thus eliminating many of the compromises in quality and function, whether you're upgrading or downsizing to a luxury coach for the 2023 season. A gas-powered Class A that tips the scales at 10,000 kilograms, the Eclipse touts a Ford 7.3-liter V8 engine that generates 350 horsepower and 468 pound-feet of torque. This can deliver ample power while driving through regions like Tennessee's Smokey Mountains on the US I-75 or the rolling hills of Northwestern Ontario. What's more, it has a hitch rating of 4,000 kilograms, allowing you to haul a compact car or a boat in a trailer. Holiday Rambler also has that exterior wow factor. The Eclipse continues this trait with modern chrome accents and what the company calls an aggressive front grille. Contemporary graphics are also available. Trick yours out with one of the full-body color combos, including red-gray, silver-blue, and gray-green color schemes. Overhead are dual AC units that are ducted, insulated, and rated at 13,500 BTUs. They'll keep you cool during the height of summer or at a winter snowbird destination. Following its streamlined profile, you'll notice heavy-duty slam-latch luggage doors for the basement storage, a concealed entertainment center with an LED TV, power awnings, and a one-piece rear fiberglass cap with lighting appointments. All standard and all are very practical. A quiet-running 5,500-watt Cummins Onan Jenny is also part of the package. If you prefer the added convenience of natural power, the Eclipse is pre-wired for a variety of solar systems. Holiday Rambler is part of Rev Recreation Group's family of Class A motorhomes, and in traditional company fashion, the Eclipse's interior is designed to impress at first glance. The steps leading up and into this coach incorporate molded rubber treading and a metal grab handle for easy access. Once inside, it's apparent a lot of effort has been made to provide function and versatile living. The 3 floor plans include the 32S, 34J, and 35R, in lengths of 32, 34, and 35 feet respectively. They also share sought-after features and designs. One highlight is the popular hide-aloft electric drop-down bed. It lowers down forward in the coach just above the driver and passenger console and offers an added living and sleeping area. It then raises when it's not in use, thus conserving living space. Other interesting features include a standard Wi-Fi Ranger, a digital multiplex system with an 18-centimeter digital display, and an in-dash stereo that has a 25-centimeter tilt screen and is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android smart devices. What are the main differences in the floor plans? The length, number of slides, and layouts. For instance, the 32S is a 2-slide coach with dual full baths. One is just off the rear master bedroom and the other is opposite the galley, as well as a dream dinette and a jackknife sofa. Both convert to sleeping areas. The 34J has 1 slide, a single bath, and is equipped with a set of bunks and rolling barn doors for privacy. The galley has a complete appliance package with a double sink and a microwave. And the exterior entertainment center also houses a refrigerator, microwave, and a second sink. It's also covered by the exterior awning in the event of inclement weather. If more space is required, the 35R has ample room and is ideal for entertaining and socializing. Like the 32S and 34J, This twin slide coach has a Serenity king bed in the master bedroom, a large pantry, a dream dinette, and jackknife sofa, with the addition of theater seating. Rounding out the Eclipse is Tarkett flooring throughout, attractive solid surface countertops in the galley, and a choice of 2 stained or 2 painted wood cabinetry options, and 3 interior decor packages. Although Canadian pricing and availability weren't available at press time, be sure to inquire about the Eclipse at an upcoming RV show or at your local dealer. Escape for the weekend or set off on a cross-country adventure, your Holiday Rambler will get you there with style, comfort, and ease. Discover the 2023 lineup today at holidayrambler.com. Thanks for listening to today's show. If you enjoyed it, share it with your friends. And if you'd like to hear more, please follow or subscribe. Your opinions are important, so please take a moment to share your ideas, comments on this show, or topics you'd like us to cover. For fun contests and picture submissions, check out our Instagram channel at Snowbirds RV Travelers. Snowbirds and RV Travelers is a Sun Cruiser Media production.